micro, small and medium enterprises sector in India is the backbone of our country's economic structure. With over 63 million MSMEs, the sector covers 80% of the industries in the country and accounts for 31% of GDP and 45% of exports. It is also the second largest employer, providing jobs to over 120 million people. Since its inception, Indian Industries Association (IIA) is playing a vital role in developing its member units into export-oriented units through various programs. There have been several workshops and seminars held over a period of time, showcasing opportunities of exporting overseas. From time to time, number of delegations from Europe, America, Canada, Australia, China and South Asian countries have visited India in order to promote economic cooperation and overall development. Delegations from India also have visited worldwide in various fairs, summits and business meetings so as to promote themselves and acquire innovative technologies for their respective enterprises.
अगर एमएसएमई को आगे बढ़ना है तो उसको खाली नेशनल मार्केट ही नहीं, एक्सपोर्ट की मार्केट को भी एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा कि आईएए इस समय में प्रयास कर रहा है कि किसी भी तरीके से हम इंटरनेशनली आईएए मेंबर्स को जो माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेज वाले हैं उनको हम पहुंचा सके। एक्सपोर्ट को बढ़ाने की कड़ी में ही उगांडा की पहली विजिट इस कार्यकाल में 2021-22 में हो रही है।
एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेशन के लिए प्रोग्राम्स करें और बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ के साथ में हमने उनके डेलीगेट्स को यहाँ पर बुला करके उनके साथ में एक्सपोर्ट के लिए चर्चाएं करी हैं। इसके साथ साथ हम अपने मेंबर्स को बाहर कंट्रीज़ में भी लेके गए हैं ताकि हमारे इंडिया से एक्सपोर्ट्स का हम प्रमोशन कर सकें।
In March 2020, the world stood standstill. Everything was shut down. Among all the sectors, MSMEs were badly hit following the lockdown, as industries remained closed for more than 2 months. As there were relaxations allowed, the economic situation was not conducive to small industries due to restricted liquidity in the system. Though the government pumped in stimulus to keep the sector alive, but certain gaps remain that prevented the sector from functioning well. To fill those gaps and pave the way for its member units back to normal, IIA, under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Ashok Kumar Agarwal, President IIA, Ms. Rekha Sharma, Chairperson International Affairs Committee, started connecting with MSMEs of countries like Uganda, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Taiwan, Nigeria, to understand the business opportunities and promote bilateral trade and investment, and to encourage trade links and help SMEs on both sides of the countries.
During the lockdown, I felt many industries, many SMEs are not doing good. They have closed their factories. They are pressured with the government to close their factories. Many of workers are not having the jobs. So I developed a program how we can connect the SMEs of the world so they can talk with each other, they can have a mutual understanding to develop their goods. For that I made a program. It is India SME Trade Connect.
On 29 September 2020, IIA, an embassy of Uganda in India, organized India-Uganda Trade and Investment Connect, a virtual interaction between Indian and Ugandan SMEs. On 28 November 2020, IIA, along with Uganda High Commission in India, organized seminar on India-Uganda SME Trade Connect to promote interaction between Indian and Ugandan MSMEs in order to explore business opportunities, bilateral trade, encourage trade links, and helping MSMEs of both countries. Taking things forward, 3 days hybrid session was organized from 12th to 14th August 2021 by the Uganda High Commission and PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry Investment and Business Opportunities in Uganda for Indian entrepreneurs. In continuation to the program, India-Uganda SME Trade Connect, High Commissioner of Uganda, Her Excellency Ms. Grace Akelo and Ms. Sophie Birungi, First Secretary Commercial, visited IIA head office and proposed industrial visit of Indian MSMEs to Uganda to encourage bilateral trade between both countries.
I am very much thankful to Her Excellency Madam Grace. She has always been there. She is with us for all our journey for India-Uganda SME Trade Connect since more than 1 year.
उनके साथ मिलकर हम लोग काम करेंगे, वहाँ पर अच्छी इंडस्ट्री लगाएंगे और उनके जो भी संसाधन है उन्हीं को प्रयोग करते हुए हम लोग अपने को भी और उनको भी दोनों को डेवलप करेंगे। ऐसा हमने युगांडा को चुना।
32 members of Indian Industries Association are here. We are very much sure that this delegation will put some different impression in Ugandan's economy. Some of our members are very much keen to establish their factories in Uganda. Some of them are very much ready to help our Ugandan traders.
युगांडा और इंडिया का जो रिलेशन है उसको हम बहुत ऊपर ग्लोबल तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, ये भी हमारा एक प्रयास है।
और उनकी भी इकोनॉमी से ग्रो होगी और हमारे को भी एक मार्केट, फ्लरिश्ड मार्केट मिलेगी, यहाँ अनएक्सपेक्टेड मार्केट है वो मिलेगी जिस पर हम लोग काम कर पाएंगे।
I am confident that this visit of Indian Industries Association members will prove a milestone of Uganda industrialization process.